Hey guys, my name is Sweety and I'm up on CraftyScrappers channel for my DT kit reveal video. This month's kit was unique and special because CraftyScrappers launched their card kit. It comes in a box and as you can see, the box is quite thick and it's filled with amazing goodies. April is the birthday month for CraftyScrappers and this is the birthday gift they have given us. First, I have these tiny bottles of shimmer and dazzle paste. The difference between the two is that shimmer paste is glittery, but dazzle paste is not. CraftyScrappers has 22 colors of shimmer paste and 8 colors of dazzle paste. You will see me use Sonoma shimmer paste later on in this video. The size of shimmer paste you get in this card kit is smaller than the regular jar. The big reveal for April for us at CraftyScrappers is the release of CraftyScrappers ink pads. As you can see, the size is jumbo. This is a felt based ink pad and this was in making for a long time and I'm so happy that the release is finally here. Let me show you that you don't need to create swatches simply because the true color of the ink pad is there on the cover itself. These ink pads are easily stackable and the instructions to use them is printed on the back side of the box itself. So these premium water-based water reactive dye ink can be used for stamping, ink blending and ink transfer. I received 8 colors in my kit. There are a total of 12 vibrant colors in the set right now. I will make a separate video showing you all the techniques you can do with these multi-purpose ink pads. Now let's move on to this cute card by CraftyScrappers. This is a thank you card. Then we have these paper strings hand-picked by Konica in pastel shades. These are such lovely colors, very much in fashion these days. These strings are available only in the card kit. Then we have these two super cute birthday cards. They are versatile. I love the sentiments like Happy Cake and Candles Day. I think they will go very well with any birthday card. You can buy the stamp set separately if you want to. You also get this coloring card set along with the kit. It is not to be sold separately. Now this is high quality paper that allows watercolor to remain on the paper for a long time, making it easier for ink blending or even watercoloring. It has cute numbers and a few other designs, and you can see critters are a running theme throughout the card kit. I had my birthday in March and it was so sweet of Konica to send me this birthday card. I think she has gorgeous coloring skills. These flowers look so unreal. They are beautiful. Thank you, Konica. Thank you for the card kit also because I think these pearls, they are amazing. You'll see me using a few of these pearls again in this video itself. I think these looked like they came from the sea and the stars there reminded me of starfish. Next we have these papers. Again, these papers are a part of the card kit only. The papers are arranged so that they form a set of 2. So there is a blue pattern paper and there is a corresponding blue cardstock. So the idea is for you to create your own colorful cardstock and use the pattern paper on that. So there's a whole rainbow of colors right there. Along with this, I think my favorite colors here are this white and gold. I mean, this gold paper looks so gorgeous. And this white paper also has some texture on it. I hope you can see that on camera. These are my favorite papers out of all of them, and I will be using them in a later video. You also get 2 sheets of acetate and 2 sheets of white paper. This is premium white cardstock. Again, they can be used for ink blending and stamping. Apart from this, you also get 2 pieces of masking paper. So that's for the paper. Now we have stencil. This is a party and balloon stencil set. You don't get just the negative but also the positive stencils, so they can be used as masks. And I think there is a lot of variety of cards that you can make using these stencils. Lastly, I have a paper designer paper pack that I got in this kit. I think this paper pack is simply gorgeous because of the golden accents. I had never seen a die cut paper before, so it was nice to see that. And let me just do a flip through of this paper pack for you. This is a 6x6 paper pack. The paper pack, the other CraftyScrappers paper pack that you get in this card kit is of 8x8. Now let me do a sample card for you. So any pattern paper that you choose will really be gorgeous anyway. So the idea is to get coordinating papers and coordinating designs. Cut it to your required size. I am working on a 6x6 cardstock. I'll trim the paper to be a little smaller than my 6x6 card base. And now it's time to bring out the ink pad. Peacock color is actually one of my favorite colors. I believe it's a beautiful combination of blue and green. So I'm just using it to dab a little bit around the corners because it goes so well with the base color of my pattern paper here. As you can see, it sort of frames my paper and it makes it look so much more antique and complete. The key to creating a shabby chic card is creating a lot of layers. So the card base already has a lot of things going on with the rose, with the frame, with the strip of paper right there. What you can do is you can actually cut out all these elements and place them again so that you have a little more dimension going on your page. But I'm going for a simpler look. So I'm just going to add another layer of paper, frame it with a more orange color. I believe orange and sky blue or the peacock blue, they make a lovely combination. Both of them, I think they look elegant together and they sort of have a rustic look. While you see me assemble this card, I just want to let you know that all the supplies used in this card video are listed in the description box below. Don't forget to check out CraftyScrappers blog for this month's challenge. And this elegant card is ready with minimum effort. Let's move on to card number 2. For this, I am using this grey cardstock that came in the card kit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out a die cut circle. And inside this die cut circle, I am going to create a scene. So this Sonoma shimmer paste is one of my favorite colors. It looks a little like sand and I think the glitter in it will make it so realistic. What I like to do is I like to swirl the shimmer paste around, simply because I want everything inside to be mixed properly before I use it. So this is well mixed, and now I will just create a sort of seashore. I hope this looks like sand when it dries. I leave it to dry when I have put a pretty good coat of this. Now let's create the sky, and for this I initially thought of dabbing the color around, but I wanted a more smooth sky. So I'm going to use this ink pad as if it was watercolor. This will make it smooth, and also from one ink pad itself I think you get multiples of colors. I'm yet to experiment with these colors, but I'm very sure that these inks will surprise me. As you can see, there are multiple shades of blue in my sky. Finally, I added a coat using one of these ink pads. Also, I wanted to add this cute little hippo just because he looked so super cute and he looked like he belonged there, just having fun on the beach. I'm doing some watercoloring using this ink pad itself. Finally, to complete the scene, I'm going to add a few birds. Small details like these make a lot of difference when completing a card. You will also see me add cute little black eyes on the hippo because I think that made him look complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. For more crafty content, stay tuned.